In this video, you'll watch me paint this dreamy night sky using gouache. Hey guys, this is Mohana. I'm an artist and a calligrapher. I love experimenting with different art forms and mediums. I'm a full-time project engineer and a part-time artist. If you're interested to see more of my artworks, check out my Instagram at @mohanasdesign. Coming to today's painting, I have listed all the products in the description. I'm going to use this mixed media paper from Ayush Paper because paper matters. I'll be using a jar of water to rinse off the excess color off my brush. I'm using this ceramic palette to mix the colors. I'll be using these gouache tubes from Brustro. You can use this white gel pen to highlight the moon and stars. It's optional. If you're comfortable with detailing using a brush, that would work too. Coming to the brushes, I'm using a flat, round and detailer brushes from Artyshils Art brushes and Montmartre. I'll be using the flat brushes for bringing the sky gradient, the round brush for adding the clouds and a detailer for the details. Using a washi tape, I'll stick the sheet to my desk. And sketch the clouds using a mechanical pencil. For the sky background, I'm using the shades Prussian blue, titanium white and black. I'm going to keep the paint consistency thick and not too liquid. Now I have two shades of blue. Using these, I'm going to bring a gradient using the flat brush. Make sure the tape is stuck well on all the sides. Gouache works well with more color and less water. Try to avoid using a lot of water when working out with gouache as it makes it more opaque and you might end up with a painting that dries out opaque. The first layer need not be a perfect blend. You can blend it well when working with the layers. I'm adding in the colors first and blending it once the first layer is done. You can see that I added a thick consistency of the paint, which helps me blend once it's completely dried out. I'm adding a little darker shade on the top. Using the large flat brush, I'm going to blend the color from top to bottom. I'm adding a little water to the brush and blending it with the sheet directly. I'm happy with the gradient and you can see that the paper still has a great texture. Gouache dries a lot quicker than any medium. Even then, make sure the layer is completely dry before you add in the clouds. Using the shades titanium white, orange and hot pink, I'm adding the clouds. I'm going to make the top part of the clouds pink and keep the peachy yellow on the bottom. So I'm going to add pink on the top and blend the light shades from the bottom. On the borders, I'm adding the white shades to bring out the details of the clouds. You can add these details in between, which makes the clouds look dreamy. I've added yellow hue to the pink to get a peachy orange shade, which I'll be adding on the bottom of the clouds. Using the shade white, I'll detail all the clouds. Using the dry brush technique, I like to add these small details beside the clouds to make it more realistic. The bottom part looks a lot plain, so I've added another cloud there. I'm using a white gel pen to add the moon. Halfway through, I realized it's a lot easier with the detailer brush. Using the same brush, sprinkle some of the white paint on the top to make them look like stars. Please be careful when removing the washi tape. The paper should be completely dry and pull the tape in the opposite direction from the painting. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try creating this, do share it on Ayush Paper or send a DM on Instagram. I would love to see what you create. Check out Ayush Paper website for amazing journals, sketchbooks, and many art-related products. It has a huge range of products and different mediums. I've been using the sketchbook for a long time and they are my go-to for any artworks. They are of perfect size and lightweight to carry. If you have any doubts regarding art supplies, different mediums, or anything related to art, you can check out askayushpaper.com and ask your queries there. And artists will be helping you and answering your queries. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.